Hi everyone, I'm Ananda Kaplan, a recipe developer and nutritionist for the Anti-Cancer Lifestyle Program, and this week we are celebrating the arrival of spring with a delicious, tasty spring pesto pasta recipe. So the pesto not only pairs beautifully with the pasta, but it is also a nutrient-rich sauce that is packed full of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and protein and fiber, and you also get a full serving of vegetables within the sauce. But the true star of this pesto is the basil right here, which is just coming into season now. So the basil not only has this amazing, vibrant, sweet flavor that really elevates any dish that it's combined with, but it also has been treasured throughout history by many different cultures around the world for its healthful and healing properties. So these beautiful little basil leaves have these essential oils in them that when consumed can actually really help support a healthy gut, reduce down inflammation, and really boost up our immune system. But one unique, really cool property of these oils is it actually has the ability to preserve and enhance the other healthful components of ingredients that it's combined with. So when we combine this basil with the lemon and the garlic and the olive oil and the peas and the spinach, we're not only creating this symphony of satisfying flavors, but we're also allowing all these ingredients to really work together to feed our body what it needs to shake off those winter blues and feel energized to welcome in spring. So please make sure to check out this recipe under the Cooking with Ananda section. It is a delicious, vibrant spring meal that will not disappoint. So please enjoy.